Let's talk about complementary colors and why it's useful to know what they are. Complementary colors are ones that lie opposite in the color wheel. Blue and orange, yellow and violet, red and green. When used together, they create a bright contrast. But when mixed together, you'll have various versions of neutral colors such as browns, grays, and blacks. So very quickly, let's mix the complementary colors by using the three primaries we used earlier. You can see that the orange and blue turned out as a greenish one. Yellow and violet mixed together became brown. Red and green also turned out to be brown. But keep in mind that this highly depends on the pigments you are combining together and the amount of each pigment in the mixture. Also, we're using a limited palette. So, for comparison purposes, here's what other complementary colors from convenient pigments look like. Knowing your complementaries is especially useful when you want to tone down or desaturate a color. For example, if this yellow is too bright to your liking, add purple, which is actually red plus blue, and you'll have a dull yellow like this. Same goes for red. Add green from a mixture of yellow and blue, and you'll have a sort of muddy red, perfect for roofs. And lastly, blue mixed with a bit of orange from red and yellow turns into this cooler blue. Put simply, depending on the amount of each primary pigment, the result would be different. That's the power of color mixing. Here's the convenient mixes from earlier, mixed with a bit of their complementary color. A quick recap on complementary colors. They lie opposite each other in the color wheel. When placed beside each other, they appear vibrant, but when mixed together, they'll turn into a neutral color. Could be brown or gray. And a color can be used to desaturate or tone down its complementary. In the next video, let's talk about the temperature of colors and how it affects your color mixing.